After the Vivo V15 Pro, here's the Oppo F11 Pro. How is it? Is it any good? Let's find out in today's video. But before we do, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Now you have done that, let's get started. It is having a 6.53 inches 1080x2340 pixels LTPS IPS LCD screen. It is running on Android 9 Pie. It is having MediaTek Helio P70 12nm, which is an octa-core chipset, and the GPU is Mali G72 MP3. The storage options available are 64GB of ROM with 4GB of RAM or 128GB of ROM with 6GB of RAM. It is not having a SD card slot. It is having dual 48 plus 5 megapixel rear camera which can record video in 1080p at 30fps, and it is having a single 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera which can record video in 1080p at 30fps. It is having Bluetooth 5.0 and micro USB port. 3.5mm audio jack is present in this smartphone. Fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity, gyroscope and compass are the sensors available in this device. It supports VOOC Charge 3.0 and it is having a non-removable 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery, and the price is around Rs 24,990 INR. Now I'll be sharing my honest review on the brand new Oppo F11 Pro. The design looks cool and the phone feels premium in hand. The display quality is above average. The rear cameras take great shots during daylight. The low light shots are also good but not the best. The selfie cameras also take nice shots with the pop-up mechanism. It is having MediaTek Helio P70, the same processor which was in the Realme 3, and the processor is decent. While a 10,000 rupees phone is having USB Type-C port, this one is having micro USB port. This is disappointing. We'll thank Oppo for not omitting the 3.5mm audio jack. It is having a massive 4000 mAh battery which will last you for 1.5 days to 2 days depending upon your usage pattern. So as a whole, I would say this is an average smartphone which is overpriced. And I would say this is not a best buy. So this was my honest review on the brand new Oppo F11 Pro. If you liked the video, then hit the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel for more awesome technical videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day, guys.